is going on, y'all? Back with another one. Well, I'm gonna give you guys everything you need to start off motovlogging, okay? So I'm gonna keep it pretty much limited to what you need to start off. No, I don't have a glove on my right hand because I had to take it off for a moment, but the light turned green, so that just gonna have to be what it is for now, okay? But what you need to start motovlogging, number one, guys, I'm assuming you have some sort of like motorcycle or even four-wheeler, you know what I'm saying? Some of that category, right? That goes without saying, but I'm gonna be thorough here, you know what I'm saying? Because you do need that, you know, you do need that, all right? Okay. Oh, Harley. Wait, is that a Harley? I need to try one of those, man. Oh, he's zooming, ain't he? He's zooming, actually. He's zooming. Let's see if we can ride with him. See what we're talking about. He know what he doing. Number one, yes, something to ride on, you know what I'm saying? It don't matter if it's a scooter, guys, you can start on anything, a scooter, moped, whatever, man, you start on whatever, okay? That's the first thing, okay? The second thing is some sort of action camera. And I say action camera because activities like riding a motorcycle, snowboarding, they're really not necessarily like ordinary activities when it comes to trying to record content off of that. These really aren't normal activities in that sense. So you're going to need an action camera, right? The most common one is GoPro, obviously. I don't know what they've been coming out since. Like, I've always been fixated on GoPro for some reason, and that's what I'm using in this video. By the way, guys, my setup is linked in the description below. So if you want to cop anything off of my setup, there is an Amazon affiliate link in the description so you guys can get exactly what I got. But the action camera, okay, that's number two. Number three is you're gonna need something to capture audio, okay? And I thought the action camera may have a like an audio source built in. Nah, guys, you want something that's like quality audio. That's gonna give you quality audio, like the Rode Go I have. This is what I mean by quality audio. It links into my action camera, right, the GoPro, and that's why I sound the way I sound. As far as I know, you try to use like the base of microphone off of any camera, bro, it's always bad, you know. So you need an external source to capture audio if you want good audio, rather that be your voice or just your bike. You know, if you want a good quality, you wanted to produce good videos out the jump, invest in a quality audio source. On top of that, you're also going to need like some sort of mount for that action camera, right? For example, like everybody may not want to do it on the helmet type of thing. Like people might be going for different types of POVs or something like that. I know some people might have it on the helmet like I do. Some people might have it on the front, the back, one coming up towards them. But regardless, you are going to need like some sort of mount for the action camera, some way to get it on there, right? I don't have it linked in the description, but it's the most common one, and it's the most common. I forgot it though. It's like GoPro mounts or something mounts. Like if I can find it, I'll most likely link it. But it's like the most common one. It's for the links. Yeah, my boy. You're gonna need something to mount it, right? And it may be different. Like this is for helmet mounts. The one I have on, this is designated for helmets. So they like mold specific helmets. They make a mold for a lot of helmets. Like the selection of helmets is good. So you look up your helmet, they most likely have a mold for it, and so you mount it on the front, and it fits perfect. So that's what I'm using here. So a way to mount your camera somewhere, anywhere, somewhere to mount your camera. It has taken me an embarrassingly long amount of time to figure out what this last thing was, but I got it now. A media mod. Now I can only speak for GoPro at this moment, but when it comes to a media mod, allows you to plug in external things like HDMI cable, a microphone that I was mentioning earlier. It allows you like access to more tools, you know what I'm saying? That's what the media mod does for the GoPro. Now Other different types of cameras may have different versions of this, but specifically for GoPro, you're gonna need like a media mod. So you can plug in, once again, an external mic. You can plug in like all these different types of inputs for like video production reasons, you know. So basically that's what it is. It's like a video production type of thing, you know what I'm saying, that allows you to make videos off of it, higher quality videos off of it. And that, I did say that was the last thing, but I just thought of it, right? Just so I kind of got everything I could think of. A way to put, you need an editing software essentially, or a way to put, it can be through the phone, it can be through your computer, laptop, whatever. You need a way to be able to put all them good elements together. So, and to make it into an actual video, right? So once again, your phone, editing software, computer, laptop, you need something of that nature to be able to make your masterpiece. You know what I'm saying? Make it an actual video. And that is it, guys. I think that's pretty much, yeah, that's everything you're going to need from the jump, okay? Like, there's a lot of stuff like ND filters that you can get, but it's not really necessary. If the camera's pretty good, the cameras alone are pretty good at recording, like, you know what I'm saying, 1080p, 4K nowadays, you know what I'm saying? So ND filters and stuff like that can come later. But that is it, guys. Appreciate y'all for tuning into the video. I'll see y'all soon, alright?